Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to TradingView charts. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you can open the charts of any stock. For now, I'll open the charts of Apple. Here from the stock list, I will select Apple. Now click on See Super Charts. Now you are in the charts page of the Apple stocks. You can select any stocks where you want to add a notes to. Now, here in the charts, you can right click on anywhere. And in this menu, you can see the option Add Text Note for AAPL, which means for this stock. So select this option Add Text Note. Now a text field will appear over here. Now type in the desired text which you want to keep as a note. For example, I'll write random stuff over here. Once you are done writing the notes, you can click on this add button. Now the notes have been added to the right hand side of the screen. So this is how you can add notes to the TradingView chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.